I'm Johnny Mitchell and I'm the Managing Director of Courtaulds Legwear. We're in Belper in Derbyshire, which is in the heart of the Midlands here in England. We're in the fashion business and we want women to look amazing, feel confident, look sexy, and that's really what our job is about, is to make sure that women feel confident and look good, and particularly their legs look good.
My name's Phil Sharrocks, I'm the Operations Director and I'm responsible for all the manufacturing and operations that go on this site. We're a vertical manufacturing operation for ladies' fine hosiery, so we take yarn in at one end of the factory and on average about 3.5 weeks later, fully finished packed product will leave the factory and be distributed primarily to Marks and Spencer's.
We have a great partnership with Marks and Spencer's and shared values.
Plan A for us has been a sort of icing on the cake as to how we manage and control the resources that we use. So we've spent the last 5 years looking at ways to minimise our impact on everything we do. We've reduced our landfill costs by 90%. All of the plastics that are generated as waste on site, so these are all the consumables that our yarn comes on. They're now collected, recycled and then basically send it on to a third-party user. Our water bill has gone down by about 30% for every unit of production we've got. You've then got another 20–25% reduction in energy consumption by replacing old, less efficient kit with new kit, and we can control it remotely. So instead of having to come into work on a Monday morning in the winter at 5 o'clock to fire the place up, they can roll over in bed, log onto the modem, press a button and they know they can see the plant coming up. The whole Plan A, respect agenda, allows us to pull that all together into a cohesive, sensible model to say that we're doing as much as we can to minimise our impact on the environment.
I'm Richard Cowley-Shaw, Director of Human Resources for Courtaulds. There's been a huge amount of learning working with Marks and Spencer's on this eco accreditation process, such that we've now got the blueprint to take this process worldwide into our other manufacturing facilities in China, in Sri Lanka and elsewhere.
Working with Marks and Spencer's is great. They're a great British institution who know what they want. They drive quality and innovation, supporting British industry, UK industry, and ensuring that consumers get goods that are made in England. Gaining the Plan A accreditation from Marks and Spencer's is a great recognition that all the efforts that everybody has put into making this factory sustainable and eco-friendly is really something that all the employees of Courtaulds Legwear should be very proud of.